Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney-Louise. If you have never seen me in your life before, shame on you. I am Britney-Louise, and today I have a special look for you guys, as if you guys have not already seen the other looks on YouTube surrounding Beyonce and Beychella, Pharrella, yes, Thriller and Manila, Okay, that was it. I'm done. I'm never gonna rap again. Never gonna sing again. Let's just get that out the way. Anyway, if you guys love this look and you were inspired by Beyonce's beautiful makeup goddess just look, sparkles to the gods look, please keep on watching and I will show you exactly what I used to achieve this beautiful yet simple glam finish, okay? But before we get started, I'm going to politely ask for you to subscribe to my channel because you guys are just so nice and you guys want to see me do more looks and you want to see what I come up with and you guys just want to watch my journey on makeup and then, you know, so that would be great. And if you love this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, tell me how you like this look, but continue to keep on watching so you can see how I achieve this look. Let's get started in the video. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to use my foundation on my face. I like to mix 420 and 430 Fenty Beauty foundation. I just really like to mix it. That's just what I like to do. You don't have to. I don't even have to, but that's what I like to do. So I'm going to start by patting my foundation on because this look is literally one of the most beautiful slight works I have ever seen. Slight work, honey. And I decided to wait and see what she would post. If she was going to post a whole different makeup look for the second weekend at all, what Beyonce was going to post. And it was pretty. It was the exact same look. But instead of more of a brown type of gold flecks mixed with the iridescent flecks in her eyes and the natural look, it was more pink with iridescent flecks, which will make a lot more sense once I get to it. The next thing I'm going to do is just add just a little bit of highlight. I'm not going to overdo it with highlight because Beyonce does not overdo it with highlight. It's just, she's very, very, like her skin is just amazing on stage. She wake up flawless. I'm just taking my beauty blender sponge and blending my concealer in under my eyes. And I am not going overboard with concealing under the eyes because you can tell that Beyonce's makeup artist does not go overboard either. Awesome tip when you're concealing right under the eyes and you know sometimes that eye can crease just a little bit into your concealer crease. If you just hold your mirror up and just look up, that'll help straighten out those lines right underneath the eyes. And that'll help pat your concealer in underneath the eyes a lot better. Because if you ever gotten your makeup done, you ever noticed when makeup artists tell you to look up when they're going under your eyes, that's what they're doing. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows. And Beyonce doesn't have super ridiculous thick old eyebrows, which is my kind of girl because I don't like doing it either. So I'm just going to go in with my goof-proof brow pencil and just fill in the sparse hairs in my brows and just keep it pushing that way. You guys, all I did was comb my brow hairs and just fill them in the areas where they were pretty sparse. I tried not to make them super defined And really all I did after that was just take some of my foundation and just filled in the areas I wanted to tame a little bit better. Okay, so this is the finished look with my brows, my foundation, and my concealer. And so now I'm just gonna go in and cook a little underneath the eyes. Again, that was another thing that Beyonce's makeup artist preached about, talked about on the article. He does not like to bake, he likes to cook. So I just like to take my powder and just kind of tap it in. Just lightly sweep it onto my skin underneath the eyes, and then the nose, on the lips, in the T-zone. And the powder I'm using is just Laura Mercier's powder in medium deep. So I'm gonna take my ink blot, their Freedom System, one of their Freedom System colors, and it's a HD sculpting powder. I believe this is the number 512. I haven't had the packaging in a long time, but I'm gonna take that color and use it to warm up my face. I'm not gonna necessarily contour a lot with this because Beyonce's makeup artist does not really contour her heavy. So I'm just gonna do just enough to kind of lightly contour my skin and give myself just a tad bit of warmth. So far, this is like a regular face I would do just for work, okay? So I love this type of look, and I love using this HD sculpting powder from Inkblot Cosmetics because it's not super harsh. It just gives me a nice, sleek, pretty finish. Okay, so now that I'm done with my entire face, I've got it all jazzed up, looking super nice. Natural, brows looking beautiful, face looking gorgeous. So now I'm gonna do the fun part, which is Beyonce's eyes. Oh my gosh, were they not the most heavenly things you have ever seen? So heavenly. And I am a glitter junkie. Literally a glitter junkie. And first of all, when I was reading the Allure magazine article with her makeup artist, I cannot believe I did not know about this brand. And I'm gonna get to it in just a moment. I'm exciting myself a little too much. Let me go ahead and start with her eyes. Let's just start with the little base. I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills double-sided brush, and all I'm doing is just putting on a nice little transition color. And I picked up the closest palette that was next to me, which happens to be my Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, and I'm just going to go in on my transition color here because we all know Beyonce's focus on her eyes was the beautiful glitter. So there wasn't much of a transition color, if there was any, and I know that there was, but it was very skin-like. Everything was very, 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 very skin-like. So that is what I am trying to duplicate as much as possible. A very nice skin finish. And the only color I am using from this palette is Summer Yum. So now that I have that on my face, just a nice little transition color. So I'm going to go in with my Inkblot Cosmetics, my waterline, just enough to give it a little bit of something, you know? And then I'm gonna smudge it out. Usually I would do the eyeshadow and everything first, but because this is just chunky glitter, sometimes it's kind of hard to go right over it again. I'm going to be putting eyeliner on twice. So this is the first wave of it. Just kind of putting it right in that waterline. I'm just running it right over the top of my natural lash line, or my natural lash hairs. And the finer the brush, the better. I almost did too much with that cat eye. She really didn't have a serious cat eye. If she had one at all, I can't really tell in the pictures. Now it's time to do the fun stuff. So again, talking about the glitter that I had no idea was out there until I read the article with Sir John. So Lemonhead Cosmetics. Lemonhead glitter is just so beautiful. And this is one of the colors that she had on her eyes. It's the color Houdini. So this is Houdini. This color I could not duplicate. I wasn't even gonna try. I don't know. It's really cute. I love this color. And it looks like she had a little bit more pink flake glitter in it as well with this past weekend. So I'm going to take a little bit of the chunky Houdini color. And I'm also going to take my Eye Candy Cosmetics color or glitter in pink. I don't want it to spill, but it's a pink. I'm just going to place that on the center of my eyes with this fine brush. I'm gonna bring it up into my crease like so. I love that when the light hits this glitter, you can see it, and then certain ways you turn, you can't see it. And some definitely like trippy glitter. I'm going to add just a little bit of silver flakes in it. Yeah, I just added some silver and coppery and pink chunks. It's kind of the other glitter color that the Lemonhead has that I should have just ordered and I did not. And just clean up around my eyes before I finish the rest. So I'm just gonna smudge out my eyes at the bottom just enough. That's what I came up with for the eyes. So just enough drama in the eyes underneath. And now I'm going to put on my lashes. Okay everyone, I am back to finish out my face, and the only thing I have to do now is add my highlight and my lip. And so for the highlight, I am going to add the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color 100 or Molten Gold. This is just one layer of Master Chrome. She had a nude pink on this past weekend. At least it looked nude pink to me. So I'm going to finish with the NYX Lingerie and It's My Ray Ray, both liquid lip liners. And the NYX Lingerie is in the color After Hours, and then BH Cosmetics, It's My Ray Ray, it is in the color Rosy Ray. I'm just gonna kind of mix those two together because it was like a neutral pink, and I didn't want it too pink and I didn't want it too neutral. So the Rosy Ray, and it's gonna mix itself. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I did this look justice. I hope you love this look. I hope it's fabulous, fantastic, and all of that for your liking. I hope you guys enjoyed Beychella as much as I did. If you love this look, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will talk to you guys in the next video. I'm out, y'all.